Alright, I just arrived to Chongqing. I hope it's warmer outside, or otherwise I hate Chongqing even more than I used to.
Guess who is vlogging today? I don't have my mic, I don't have my tripod, I just got my phone, unfortunately. Everything is in the studio. And look at this beautiful weather. For someone who lives in Chengdu, the eye should be triggered immediately by it's smoky. I can smell it. I kind of regret I didn't take mask. Yeah, I'm literally going back. I don't know, I came out and I can smell the smoke. Doesn't feel right. I'm going back to take my N95.
上车的乘客，请往车厢中坐走。
Over there. Yeah, so I'm at the railway station now in Chengdu, and I need to plan a lunch ahead. I won't have time to buy lunch somewhere when I arrive to Chongqing. You have Starbucks, Tico's, and KFC. You have two Starbucks here. I just see there is one behind me, somewhere there, and another is here. I like Starbucks for breakfast, but I think for lunch it would not be enough. Oh, there is also Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons, my friend who lives in Canada, she said it's shit. She said even Starbucks better than Tim Hortons, but Canadians love it. Well, to me they all pretty much the same. The price range is similar. I kind of like Starbucks when like sometimes it just fits nicely, like when I'm on go, for example, travel plus Starbucks, especially in the airport. Just nice feeling, nice picture in my head. Nothing objective really. Yeah, and I know I probably didn't list any healthy options. Dicos, KFC, McDonald's, but I mean, like, yeah, Chinese restaurant could be better, like some noodles or dish with something. Except for all the Chinese options that are probably not suitable for taking away. I stopped on KFC because I also want to get a coffee, and I think it should be cheaper than like Starbucks, because Starbucks will just give me a coffee and the sandwich for like 60 RMB, I think. And KFC should be more reasonable. Alright, so I'm at KFC now and I ordered a meal, which is not listed here, but it's on an app, and there is a burger, beef burger, plus egg tart, plus upgraded to milk coffee latte, and chicken wings, I think, and it's all 71 RMB. So the worker of KFC told me not to film. I don't know why. Alright, I just arrived to Chongqing, still at the metro station, still inside the departure area, and yeah, beautiful communication with the client and the agent. Agent is not in Chongqing, she's in Chengdu, I think, so she's not in a good touch with what's going on. Still don't know what we're shooting, but they say I have to look like a businessman, which I'm... It feels cold, but I'm still indoor. I hope it's warmer outside, or otherwise I hate Chongqing even more than I used to.
小心点滑，注意安全。
你的围巾吗？美女，你的围巾吗？没事没事。Same amount of pollution. Maybe even worse. Every time when something bad happens in Chengdu in terms of weather, Chongqing is worse. So actually I didn't even know, I don't think even my agent knew. But I'll be filming for advertisement of Chongqing metro. And Chongqing is a city on rocks, so it's hard to dig. And kind of like Hong Kong. And you can see this whole way is going to the metro, and it's pretty crazy because here is the rock, yeah, the mountain. And so the station goes over there. Well, like, yeah, pretty cool. Crazy engineering. I don't know if this is the one, but I heard that Chongqing has the highest metro station in the world. I think also they have the deepest. Yeah, so here's one apartment, this is a metro, there's another apartment, and here someone opened a hotel. 14th floor. So we were just filming on the bridge that I was showing you, and we are already in totally another part of this line, but it's kind of all like that, crazy. Quite still in the metro, and one of the interesting aspects of these kind of shootings is that it seems like we are making advertisement for the metro. So it's very straightforward, but at every station when people see the equipment, they're like, oh, what are you doing here? And it's always like, we have to explain from the beginning, even though they called us and they let us see in for free without tickets, and we couldn't go out because people here don't know that we are going out, like who we are and stuff like that. So we have to call and call and call. Yeah, almost ridiculous. We finished exactly on time. Right, like they said at least 4 hours, and like 4 hours and 1 minute we finished. And now I will try to get back to Chengdu as soon as I can. I'm trying to find an entrance to the railway station. I need to find where to enter the railway station. Then I'll quickly try to buy tickets online. And the closest train to Chengdu, hopefully sitting. Okay, I think it's here. No, it's exit. Shit. Alright, it's exit because I need to go outside and then enter the railway station. Okay, now it makes sense. So, my train already started boarding, and yeah, the bitter truth about this kind of trips, shootings, that you start to eat a lot of fast food. Like literally I arrived 10 minutes ago and now it's boarding on my train, and they serve this in 1 minute. So fast food is really meaningful. Otherwise I would spend more time here. I would come back to Chengdu later, and I still have something to do in Chengdu. I need to go to my studio and record some voice, so it's better to come back as soon as I can. Where's my train? I think it's over here. Okay, time to go back. Yeah, this one. So when I just arrived, I wanted to say that beef burger in KFC was kind of a disappointment. Just a single burger for 33 RMB, $5, and it wasn't even nearly as good as the ones that McDonald's has. Not the standard one, but they have like a fancy one called Angus burgers. They're black and the meat is really good. But now I went to McDonald's and it didn't have burgers at all. Like only fish burgers and chicken burgers. I mean, no beef burgers. Only chicken. Like McDonald's was a KFC and it's spicy. Not great. I just took like a piece of chicken and fish burger